Hi, 550 subscribers. It's me, Teresa. You don't know who I am, but I know who I am, so it's okay. This is a video about logs. Log is a short word for logarithm, which comes from this guy. It comes from Greek, but they were like discovered or something by this guy called John Napier. He was pretty cool. So, what is a log? I'll just erase that. What is a log? A log is like basically it's the opposite of a power. But it sort of does the same thing. So you have the logarithm, and then you have these three numbers. And in the equation, the 2 is the number being powered. The 8 is the answer at the end. And x is the power. So in this problem, you have to figure out what x is. So what you have to do to get 2 to 8 using exponents, not the band. So the answer to that would be 2 to the power of what is 8, and it's 2 cubed, so it's 2 to the power of 3. And yeah, so all you have to do is remember which one is which, and then just turn it into an easier problem with powers in it, you know? Okay, and you can also go the other way. Just erase that. You can also go the other way, where you have to figure out what the answer is, which is just doing a power problem, just written out differently. It's just 6 to the power of 2 equals what? And it's 36. So it's just doing a power problem written out a different way. So you just have to figure out how to turn it back into a power problem so that you can figure it out easier. So, yeah. So this is practice questions. There's some where you have to figure out the answer, and there's some where you have to figure out what the power is. Mostly have to figure out the answer, which is the easier one. But, whatever works for you, you can try and write your own. How about that? Okay, so you can pause the video and, oh, I can do that. You can pause the video and just do these questions, and once you pause the video, I'll, do the answers. Okay, so if you haven't paused the video yet, I'm about to do the answers and it'll spoil the surprise, so just go and do that. Okay, number 3. So log 5, you have to say it a special way. You have to say log to base 5 of x equals 3. Now, we know that x is the product of when you cube 5. So all you have to do is cube 5, and you get 125. Okay, I'm going to change colors. Oh, that's a bad color. This color. Okay, 4. You got log to the base 3, log to base 3, log to base 3 of x equals 4. So that is the same as finding the product of what happens when you do 3 to the power of 4. Oh, so you just do 3 to the power of 4 which is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 81. It's 81. Took me a while. Okay, so log to base 3 of x equals 4, and x is 81. Because it's just 3 to the power of 4. Remember that. 3 to the power of 4. Okay. Number 5. Okay. Log. Now this is a different one. This is the one where you have to figure out what the power is based on the outcome. So this is... I'm just writing the questions again. Okay. Anyway. So this here, this is the outcome right over here. Right? And this is the number that you have to power to get to 32. So, you have to figure out how many times you have to times 2 by itself to get to 32. And so I'll just do that manually. 2 times 2, 4. So that's 2 squared. 2 times 2 times 2, 2 cubed. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 2 to the power of 4. And after that, you get 4, 8, 16 times 2, and you get 32. So now we know that x is 5, because you can do 2 to the power of 5 and get 32. Remember, 2 to the power of x is 32. Okay. I'm going to have to erase some of this. Just pause now and write it all down if you haven't, got it locked in your brain yet, because I'm going to erase it just so I have more space. Okay, now I'm going to do number 6, which is the same as the first two. And so all you do is 6. You know the drill now, I hope. You get 2 to the power of 5 equals... Oh, we already did this! 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So, to both of these questions, the answer is 32. So we just cross this out and 32. So log to base 2 of 32 equals 5. Oh, new one. Okay, cool. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. You should watch another video, even though, because my mom didn't monetize her channel, but you should watch another video anyway to get better at maths. Thanks. Have a good day.